Hello. So we are back Thursday and we have a phone to fix. Okay? This phone came here with iPhone X battery and screen. Yeah, they thought, it's a battery issue. But it's not. Look here. So when you see this behavior on a phone, you see the jumping current, so actually it's like nearly zero and it's jumping to 200 milliamps and then back to zero. That's a shorted motherboard. And we can fix it. They haven't replaced the screen. We have a brand new screen here to check. But the idea is we have to fix first the shorted board. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, my colleague will open the phone. And we can see if we can fix it. It is short or not. Yeah. Oh, merci molto. Okay, so we have the phone. Battery. Let's come with the power supply. Come with the power supply around 4 volts, okay? And we come with minus it's anywhere, and plus on the battery connector. This is plus 0.5 and 1.4. Yeah, here you see the board is shorted. It's taking 2.6 amps because that's the power supply limit. On the other side we have like 1.4 volts. You can calculate exactly the internal resistance, which is very low. It's like we're speaking about under 1 ohm. So something is shorted on this board. Something is getting hot. Okay, I haven't opened this, or I did open this before. Let me tell to my colleague to take out the board quickly. Iuliane, îmi poți scoate placa repede? Deci numai placa. Da? Okay. Because they know better. Every day they are replacing the screen. They are faster than me. I'm not really dealing with screen replacement. Well, they know exactly every screw where it's coming, and let's wait 1 minute. The screen is cracked, clearly. But we do have another screen to test. We just need to fix the board. That's all what we need. Okay? Good. The problem is this board, it's a sandwich. Like 2 boards soldered together. So we can't really access the things. You remember we had a video before? So we are just trying using brute force to completely burn the shorted component. It's a little bit hard, but we have to do it somehow. Let me see my software phone board as iPhone X. We do have iPhone X, I can't believe. So display capture, let's see. We have the plus from the battery. Because we have to pass to skip the first MOSFET. That's the reason why you have 1 point something volts there. Because we have a MOSFET. It's the one which is disconnecting the battery. So what's here? This is plus. Merci molto, Julian. So we have the board here. Uh, let's zoom this. So which one is plus? This is plus? No. No. Yeah, this can be plus. Probably this is plus, and this is no ground. Wait, so which one is ground then? I'm a bit confused today. So yeah, I'm watching the wrong thing, yeah. So this is plus and this is ground. I think this is ground, yeah, this one. And this is plus. And the plus is going through some things here. And then we have our MOSFET, which is inside of the board. That's insane, this one. Yeah, so here, you see this is a MOSFET. And after this MOSFET, on those pins, it's your main power rail. But 1 second, yeah? We can access the power rail here. Look here, here. So we can access the power rail, skipping the MOSFET, I mean, skipping the MOSFET there, which is fantastic. I don't know what connector is that. But that's great. Here, yeah? Good. So let's do it then. Let's do it. So what I will do, I will come with the power supply here on this connector I said. So we have ground and plus here, this one. And yeah, the voltage drop obviously because we skipped the MOSFET. It's taking 2.6 amps. And we have to find exactly what is getting hot. Let's raise the current 3 amps. And I can feel some heat here. But it's not even important because we can't open the board anyway. So let's go high in amps. 3 amps, 4 amps, 4 amps, and we can only hope the component which is shorted, it will get burned. 5 amps. So we have right now 5 amps, which is a lot for a phone, 5 amps. And I can feel the heat here. And I can feel it's getting warm. I can't open this. I don't have that tool to open the board. So we can only hope we can burn that component. 5 amps, it's a lot. 5 amps, it's a lot. Or we can only hope, the shorted component will get hot enough and just get dropped from the board somehow. These repairs are tricky because you can't open the board to check. Five amps. It's a lot. I wish I have more amps. And it's like you feel it's hot, like in a big area. You can't really see where actually the component is because it's inside. It's another dodgy repair, but what you can do. The 5 amps is not even enough. You know what we can do? Let's try to figure it out by the ground. So it's the voltage 1.34, 1.31, 1.32, 1.30, 1.30, 1.30. So the short is somewhere here on this area, based on the fact here you have the lowest ground resistance. Somewhere here in the middle. I can feel it is so hot. You see, this is dodgy. When actually you just wait for the component to get burned. To get like to blow up, not to get burned because it's burned already. Just to blow up. Okay, nothing will happen. We need more current. Okay, let me get another power supply. 1 second. Christy? Okay, so we'll have 2 amps more from this power supply. But how do I connect them? One ground. Let me see how can I do it. One ground. Then we have the plus. And this plus. So now we have 6 amps. Six amps. And it's still not enough. Huh? The short is gone? Yeah, the short is gone. It's not shorted anymore. So one more time. Ground. Plus. Nothing. It's 30 milliamps. You can see. Check on the power supply. Now let's test it. And I'm pretty sure this will work because it's not like it's shorted chip. No, it's short on a capacitor. And the phone will work fine without a capacitor. That's not a problem here. Okay. You remember we made a video before, same on the same way, yeah, doing the same repair like now. We a shorted capacitor which was inside, and we burned the capacitor in the same way. Because otherwise, you have to split the boards, go inside. It's a process which is a little bit more complicated. Let's try with a new screen. Well, let's try see if it's charging, okay? Plug in the battery. Good. Getting the charging cable. Pay attention here. 600, 700, 900. 900 milliamps, 1 amp, which is fine. You can see. So the phone is charging fine. Okay, 1 amp. You can see it's going to 1 amp. Let's unplug the battery. So it's charging fine. Okay. Now I wish I can see something there, but I can't see anything. Oh, the board has to go somewhere behind of this thingy. Okay. My colleague can open the board and put it right. So the screen is plugged. The battery is plugged. Let's check again. And we have the logo, the Apple logo sign. You can see there. It's taking 1 amp. Let's see the phone on. We didn't plug in the Touch ID thingy, but the phone is on and working. I'll check that. Okay. Okay. So everything is fine. Swipe up to unlock. I can't. Because I haven't plugged something here. Let me try. Let's see what they didn't unplug here. Hi, pal, yeah? All good?
Yeah. See, this is for the battery, but it's not the battery. I think it's charging IC. Can you have a look?
Yeah, I will have a look.
Then I ordered charging IC.
Yeah, I will check.
I put on charge, it's charging.
Okay.
It's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, that's weird. Why the digitizer will not be working? Hmm? You know, let me try with a different screen, yeah? Give me 1 second. Iulian, am nevoie de alt ecran. La asta nu merge digitizerul. Nu merge, vreau alt ecran. Let's try with a different screen, yeah? Merci. So this is a replacement screen, so yeah, you can have a surprise, like, you know, you put the screen and actually digitizer is not working. Maybe it's my fault, I didn't plug it in correctly, the other one. We have the Apple logo. It is still charging fine. The current is very important. You always have to pay attention on the current. The current is speaking with you. And you can identify a lot of faults just based on the current reading. Yeah, digitizer, it is working. Okay. So everything is fine. The phone is working great. Okay. I'll give the phone to my colleague so he can fix it. 1 second. Vreau să gata. Dar trebuie să scoți din nou pula ca să o bagi, că n-am băgat-o eu bine acolo, da? Mersi. Cu ecranul ăla merge digitizerul. Okay. So I suppose I will close now the video. Like how I said on the other video with the MacBook. The next week I will be on holiday. I suppose I will see you the other week. Okay? So please don't be scared, there will be no videos next week. I'll just have some, you know, some holiday, playing some games. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.